Hi, I'm Nic Watt, and today we're cooking MASU beef teriyaki with sticky mushroom kamameshi rice. Just chop the brown mushrooms into small slices. The spring onion, we just want to cut it into nice angled lengths. Now, chili, I already know this one's quite hot, so I'm just going to use a small amount. So what we're looking for is a little bit of colour on the mushrooms, and you can see there's a little bit of colour coming through in the edamame now. Add the rice. You can hear the rice sort of crackling and popping away in there. Nice knobs of butter, which will give it a lovely richness. Add in the spinach, and just turn that over with the spinach in it, and the spinach will wilt down inside. So I've got some lovely sirloin steaks here, so I've just got some fresh pepper going on each side, and a little bit of salt, so they're nice and seasoned. But with summer and spring, a barbecue is a fantastic way to cook this dish. So a little bit of oil, nice hot grill or nice hot pan. So I'm just cooking the fat now, just making sure we're rendering down that fat and just cooking it so you get a lovely sort of barbecue flavour directly onto that fat side. So the next step is heating up the teriyaki sauce. So pan on, teriyaki sauce directly into the pan. I like chili, so we're going to add a little bit of that chili that we chopped up earlier, because we'll slice the steak thinly and put it into that sauce. So this is the really delicious mushroom kamameshi. So we've got shiitake, spinach, all the lovely flavours there. So a little bit of butter. So it's almost like a Japanese risotto. And then we've got our steak that's just been sitting nicely in that teriyaki sauce. And I just open it up a little bit as I go. And you just want some of the sauce. I'm going to go directly on the steak, and you can just see that sauce catch in all the beautiful rice there. A few spring onions. I'm going to keep everything off the steak because that steak just looks absolutely beautiful. Again, the shallots and the sesame all off the steak because it just looks too delicious. And there you have your MASU beef teriyaki with sticky mushroom kamameshi rice.